Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do chlorophyll print. First, gather your materials: fresh leaves, a clear glass or plastic sheet, and a heavy object like a brick. You'll also need a black and white image printed onto transparency film. Finally, find a flat, sunny spot outdoors where your print can sit undisturbed for several days. Now, let's assemble your print. Take one of your fresh, smooth leaves and lay it flat on a stable surface. Carefully place your transparency image directly on top of the leaf, ensuring it's positioned exactly where you want the print to appear. Then, cover both the image and the leaf with your clear glass or plastic sheet. With your print assembled, it's time for exposure. Place the entire setup in a location that receives consistent, direct sunlight. The sun's rays will gradually bleach the chlorophyll from the exposed areas of the leaf. This process usually takes anywhere from 3 to 7 days, so check on your print daily to observe the image developing. Once your image is clearly visible, it's time to finish. Carefully remove the glass or plastic sheet and then the transparency film from the leaf. Gently lift the leaf to reveal your unique chlorophyll print. To preserve your artwork, you can press the leaf between heavy books or laminate it to protect it from further degradation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.